to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tanya and I film all kinds of pink girly beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos on this channel. Today is 4th of July, and so if you hear background noise, that is why, but I'm here with a very special guest, Diana.
Hi.
Can we get some hoorays? Like,
hooray, hooray.
And of course, we are celebrating today because her closet is officially done. Not organized yet, but done, like but built.
Almost, thanks to you. Drawers need to get finished, and I don't know, you're the organizer. I just kind of let her do whatever.
We're trying to put everything in and then record reels organizing it. I don't know if you guys are aware or not, but making content, it can be sometimes not what you think it is. Like, it's not what it seems at all. I don't just think up like how to organize and then just do it. I have to really brainstorm how I'm gonna organize, and sometimes I put everything in and then take it back out and then put it back for like the actual content piece. Yeah. It's literally a process, so get to see behind the scenes of how I make an organizing reel and TikTok. It's gonna be fun. But also you're gonna get to see how I brainstorm and put together organization ideas, I guess. And the journey, Diana's gonna be sharing with us her beautiful closet. And of course, I'm going to put her YouTube channel down below because the official final tour is gonna be on her channel. We have some pink rosé, and we're gonna get to finishing organizing her closet so that she can finish filming her tour. But I did need to do an intro for today's video. You're gonna see me switch hair colors like 4 times in this video. It's fine, we're playing with hair. Yes. So just disregard that because I'm the same person in all the different hair colors. It's guys, without further ado, let's rewind to when I first
Hey guys, as promised, we're at Diana's and we are about to get her closet put together. This is what her office space is looking like because currently a lot of the stuff from her closet is in here. This is her new closet, you guys. It is absolutely stunning. Her husband just finished building this in. So a lot of the more close-up, like the formal video, is going to be on her channel, but in this video it's going to be a behind the scenes of me pretty much helping her organize her closet. Almost knocked this over. Everything in here is cute. So yeah, it's going to be a behind the scenes of me helping her organize her closet, my ideas, brainstorming where everything's going to go and why. And her video is going to be like the official organizing / tour, so make sure you guys go and check it out. You guys, this is absolutely stunning. I feel like we just need to turn on the light so you guys can see the switch that like the lights as it turns on. It's just so beautiful. I am so excited for you guys to see it finished. And then we have our vanity. So really excited. Diana went to go open the door for her grocery delivery, so I'm just in here giving you guys a scoop and how we're gonna get started today. Are we obsessed? Are we ready? Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to see this closet organized. Here's my little OOTD, by the way. I'm just wearing this little pearl lounge set since we are like cleaning and organizing and moving furniture all day long. So for her layout options, we're gonna try a few things. We're gonna either try putting the vanity by the window or on this wall. We're gonna see how it looks, and then putting, she has these cabinets that can go here with her floor length mirror, so she can store her makeup. We're going to probably rearrange the setup a few times just to see what looks better and what gives, you know, what it needs to give. The very first course of action is going to be to organize this room categories. So we're going to, of course, first of all, get rid of these, put them in the room, figure out how the layout's going to go, make sure the room's empty, so we're stocking everything from scratch. And in this room, we're going to make sections where it's going to be shoes, clothing, accessories, organizers, decorations, makeup bags, miscellaneous things, because everything's kind of just everywhere right now. So we want to give this order so when we're stocking the closet, we're not missing anything, and we are making sure that the things she wants displayed are actually going to be displayed. We can get a little bit of decluttering done as well. Have everything accessible that she really needs accessible. And the only way to know that is to just have everything laid out. Things, and we're already tired and need a snack break. Just kidding. Diana's making food for her babies. And I'm gonna set out some macarons on a little tray for us to snack on while we work. She doesn't even go here. Of course, I have to take a pistachio one first. Guys, she couldn't just give me water. She had to give me water. She's recording her clips for her YouTube right now. So beautiful. Okay, guys, I discussed the layout ideas with Diana, and she decided to do vanity here by the window, which it makes sense because when you do your makeup, you'll have that natural, beautiful lighting. We are working, oh, she's bringing in a chair. Go ahead, girl. We are working with a very rectangular room, which I've had in the past and had to play with a lot. And it's always good to take things that are deeper in depth, like a vanity table, and play with it in a way where it will make the room give a more square feel because it makes it feel bigger rather than narrow. I hope I'm making sense. This is going to be gorgeous because say if she wants a little bit of vanity storage, she can add something here. For now, she just has a pillar. We're going to do a floor-length mirror here. On this side, we're going to put her dresser so she can have extra storage for her accessories and things. Once we get the layout done, it is time to stock up this room. Light a candle.
That fly was not invited.
Light a candle here.
This fly was not invited.
Who gave a fly an invitation? I see it? Do you guys see it? It's like, no, I want to be a part of this. Whether you like it or
Girl,
not.
that is not aesthetic.
She said, I'm a pink and girly fly.
I'm gonna zoom in and edit like a bow on her.
Okay, let's edit a bow on the fly so she can belong here. Lighting the Dreamer candle from Target. If you have not bought this candle, guys, this candle smells so nice and the packaging is just so pretty. We have the rest of the macaroons. Yeah.
It's enough to make it look cute.
Sorry I ate them.
No, it's okay.
Okay guys, we just organized. I know it still looks like a mess, but it's an organized mess now. We have all her shoes, all her clothes, and then we made enough room here so we can move these. And yeah, that's the progress. But we were literally sitting there for like 30 minutes just making memories. And some of it like she bought from my videos too, so it's like super sweet. It's just nice. Like, you know, whenever you're like going through your things by yourself and you have to stop and like, oh, look at this and oh, look at that. We were doing that but together. Guys, little update. We were messing around with these dressers and was to put them against this wall, but it looked kind of funny, so we decided to just put them back to back and make her an island with them, which I think originally she had done this, but she said her room was too narrow and crowded, and that's because she used to have her vanity right here. But I told her if we keep this wall empty, turn this into some kind of a gallery wall. Her neon sign goes here, that's why you're seeing that. We can make this look really nice, make a gallery wall, leave it empty, get a nice runner here, and it gives her enough space to have the island, and it just looks so glamorous, the island. So I think that this is perfect. See-through glass top makes it look so luxurious. Yeah, that's where we're at. Have her vanity and then her floor-length mirror to check her outfits before she leaves the door, and it just makes sense that it's by the door. Next thing I'm working on, guys, I am kind of makeshift. Usually I will wrap this all up. I should have probably done, I'll know for the future, but I kind of took pictures. We're marking up where everything's gonna go to have a general idea. Of course, this can be changed as we go. I just want to map out like a general idea of what we're gonna be doing. She's here with the
These
decor.
are the only mirrors I have. But at like Marshalls or whatever, I could buy a like wider version of this to go there.
Trying to figure out what to put here because she doesn't like this line. So I always cover mine with a mirror. I found mine at TJ Maxx. It was a perfect size.
I kept like,
and it matches like that.
yeah, I kept not buying one because I used to not have nowhere to put it, but now it will look
pretty.
pretty.
Yeah. I was just telling Diana how I do my organizing reels. So the very first thing I do is I actually organize it how I know I'm gonna want it to look. And then once I know exactly where each perfume is gonna go and each piece is gonna go, I take it all off and then I film it. I know that sounds insane, but it's like the easiest way to do it, because if I'm breaking my head as I'm organizing and the camera is rolling, then I will have super long footage to edit, and I don't want to do that. So figuring out what layout looks best for her fragrances, and then we're gonna film a fragrance organization. So we decided we're taking a little break. We both can't really focus. ADHD vibes. So we're gonna take a little break because we need to go and just re-up on some caffeine. I need a matcha, and I just saw that there's a new dairy-free matchas at Starbucks. And also, we want to find a mirror for this because it just feels incomplete, and we're not gonna be satisfied until we find something to go in there. So we're gonna do a little Ross TJ Maxx Home Goods run. I hope you guys are enjoying coming along with us. So far we've done this. I promise you we've been doing stuff like we moved the bags here because we're gonna do that next. We already filmed the perfumes. We're gonna take the girls out as well because Diana has 2 daughters, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna be excited to get out of the house for a little bit. Hey, the drinks are secured. We got non-dairy matchas, and I gotta hold them because she's driving, so BRB. Guys, this is crack. There is TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Burlington and Ulta right next to each
Target,
other.
that way.
Oh, and Target.
And there's
the
a
other way.
Sephora in the pool. So.
This is girly heaven. I'm gonna go get lost. BRB. Diana said we're only getting closet stuff. We're only getting closet stuff, guys. Okay, guys, we're in Home Goods. Diana got this. I decided to get this. It's only $10 and it's like glass. Like heavy glass, and I just can't. Like for your vanity, it's so cute. Box. Currently looking at the kitchen stuff. It's been a long time since I've actually brought you guys to stores. Like, I just haven't been shopping that much. We came to Michael's and they already have Halloween stuff in July. I don't know why, but I thought I would just show you guys what they have. If you're interested, because this is probably going to be gone in 2 weeks. And they're not even going to have anything for Halloween. Oh look, they have the little guys in the bathtub. I don't love the orange, but you could paint that easily. It's honestly pretty cute. Me likey. Those are cute. I'm digging it. Like,
I like it too. For
yeah.
Halloween.
I'm usually. This is me. This is also me.
And your husband is a man.
Oh, and Manny. There's me and Manny. I just love the one on the toilet.
This is your husband when you're not home. I'm just kidding.
That is.
My husband too.
We're using all your skincare. This is what we actually came to look at. It's cute. I kind of want it, but it's like.
Is there a
for
taller
what?
and a shorter one?
Yeah.
What you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cute.
Oh, that is cute. There's only one. Okay, guys, it is the next day. We have an eyebrow appointment today and lots of work to do to finish this closet. I wanted to show you guys updates. We started putting her shoes, kind of mapping out where her clothes will go. Over there as well. Yes, we're gonna go do brows, pick up we finally found the mirror she wanted for the area right here. So we're gonna go pick it up and that's it. Do you wanna show your outfit? There are outfits today.
We're kind of like twinsing
Shoes and bags.
Not kind of, we're twinsing shoes and bags.
The exact same. Shoes and bags.
Our feet look so cute.
Our Coach bags, look how cute. And
we could have like...
got the pink rose stone. We're so bad. We should be organizing the closet. So cute. We're gonna organize her everyday makeup now. We're recording a reel as well. This paper is so cute. I have this as well, and it's just gorgeous, so I will link it below. Guys, that is everything for today's video. If you want to see how this ended up being finished, how it turned out, just go check out Diana's channel. Her tour.
Oh, yeah.
Her channel and her Instagram. So I'm gonna link both of those down below. Beautiful friend, literally the sweetest girl.
Thank you.
Like, she hosted me and yeah, she hosted me and she made me like breakfast every day. Like, made sure I always had water or coffee. Like, I feel so spoiled. Sorry, they're yelling. What was I saying?
That I'm amazing and beautiful.
And you are amazing and beautiful. So I just wanted to like quickly tell you guys that if you will go support my good friend Diana, that would mean the world to me. She's literally the sweetest thing. She's the first person, one of the first people, there was a few, that reached out to me when I first moved to California. She made me feel so welcomed, and she actually is the one who pretty much coordinated my bachelorette, if you guys remember that. So go give her some love for me, because I love her so much, and I just wish that I could like send her, all of you guys, to hug her through the screen so she understands like just how much she means to me. I'm gonna let you guys go because it's been a long weekend of filming, literally like a 4 or 5 day project to do something like this. I don't know what got into me. I thought, oh, we'll do it in 1 day. Like, absolutely not. So yes, but no, we got to hang out more days, so I'm happy about it, honestly. All right, guys, we're gonna let you guys go check out Diana, go check out her Instagrams. Love you. Mwah. Bye. Goodbye. Also, do we love? It's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. I miss being blonde. Do you guys? Never mind, don't answer that.